Are you that person that when you're speaking, your voice is nervous and it is shaking? Let me give you 2 tips that are going to help you to deal with this. Number 1, do daily breathing exercises. Now, it could be breathe in, breathe out, but make sure you time yourself and know how long it takes. That is going to enable you to control your breath, and when you control your breath, you control your heartbeats. When you control your heartbeats, you will avoid and prevent hyperventilating. Option number 2 is do daily yawning. Now, this is a tip I picked from Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman told us that if you want to calm down your voice and you also want to deepen it, like almost everything with your voice, the best exercise he has ever been taught was actually yawning. Just yawn. Yawn before speaking, yawn just before you get on stage. And for you, if you're a person who deals with nervous voices, that would mean that you have to put at least 5 minutes every day for you to just yawn. Like, force yourself to yawn. As simple as that. Try it and tell me whether it works for you. Now, if you want me to continue giving you public speaking tips, just comment public speaking in the comment section. Otherwise, remember to join our free masterclass every Wednesday by clicking the sign up button above my name. See you in the next one.